Hello, guys. Welcome back to Raver channel. Well, I brought a guest today to listen to Diana Ankudinova with me. So with me here is
Oshune, hi.
well, I actually listened to her music and I was like, why don't I bring someone over to join me listen to this amazing beautiful girl's voice? Because yeah, I can't just listen to the voice alone because it's too enjoyable to listen alone. So we have brought her here to listen to Diana Ankudinova, Blizzard by Diana Ankudinova. So let's watch and let's see how amazing this is.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Oh, so
Wow.
tell them, what do you think about this?
She sings with so much passion. Her voice is so calm, so relaxing. I really, really enjoyed listening. So I didn't even know it was almost finished because I was just enjoying it.
Well, like she was when first watched this, like I was very shocked that because of the age, like she's just
Yeah.
15 when she sang this, and the voice, like she has
much
a very
passion.
kind of unique voice.
Yeah, she's
Other
singing
ladies
from
like
inside.
she does
She has this deep
without
voice.
watching the video. There's something I noticed without watching the video. If I listen to this music, I'll think it's a
Yeah,
guy.
you think it's a guy, you won't know that she's the one.
Yeah,
Her voice
so
doesn't
like
match the face, but it's incredible.
yeah, that was what
It's
makes it more
amazing.
unique and more interesting. I really
Yeah.
love this. She's really good. She's really good. So hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did. I love it.
I hope you guys do enjoy this too. Well, thank you for watching with us. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also recommend more music videos for us to react to you, for you guys. We're here to serve you guys and everything. Thank you guys for your support. We love you guys. Bye.